Severe perforation at the edges. Looks like rust worked through from behind. Significant paint lift, coastal corrosion everywhere. God damn. That's a lot worse than it looked at first. Yeah, I'd say that's past saving.
God, the rust on this thing. A complete coastal decay job, inside and out. It's worse than I thought. Looks like it, boss.
Together now? Got it. Watch the corners. Down slow. Slow. Clear. All right, I've got the plugs. Fuel line's free.
Yeah.
Hook's here. Let's get it.
Yeah.
Engaging. Watch your hands. On three. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Go.
Got it.
Keep
Easy.
it steady. Almost through. Got it. Pulling it clear. Watch the corner. Looks
All right, got it. It's pretty seized.
All right.
Passenger side next. These are just as bad. Got it.
Got it.
All right. Okay. Just one more turn and she should break free. Got it. Watch the rust on that rim. Careful.
Got it.
Good. Out the door. All right, hold it steady. This one's seized up tight. Got it. Just got to pull this final hanger. Careful, it's heavy. The corrosion extends deeper. Listen to that hollow sound.
Yeah. Right along the sill base. This needs serious attention. Structurally, she's shot. We fix that.
Through rust here, 12 centimetres minimum. Look at the seam corrosion, propagating from every weld. Solid here, hollow here. Just as bad on the passenger side, full replacement.
What's the year making for you?
Almost there. Just one more spot. Line it up perfectly.
Got it.
Just a little more. Okay, it's seated. Start tightening. Smooth as butter. Looks good.
Got it.
Slow and steady. Okay, we're in. Now the gap check. Keep it steady. Okay, rotate slightly to the right. Copy that. Let's line up the bottom edge now. Perfect. Hold it while I seat the rubber. All right, perfect alignment, smooth as silk. Just needs the nut and the horn. Let's give it a test. Nice, solid. Tightening the left side. And I'm tightening the right. Feels good, no resistance at all. That's a perfect fit. It's hanging straight. Nice. Give it a fine.